Stay hydrated and enjoy all it has to offer.
Today I need that practice, I wanna know. It's too loud in these clubs and I give all of it up. If I thought it was love, if I thought it was love, then how do we know what we have works in the cold? Nowhere to know, summer's over, back on the road. And how do we know what we have works in the cold? There's nowhere to know, summer's over, back on the road. And how do we know if what we have works in the cold? There's nowhere to know, summer's over, back on the road. And how do we know if what we have works in the cold? There's nowhere to know, summer's over, back on the road. How do we know? Now you're not hitting me back, guess it's as simple as that. I never meant for this to happen, but let's stick to the facts. Don't wanna attack, honestly don't wanna go back. I love what we had, why can't we just leave it at that? Summers don't last, Sangria doesn't stay in the class. It's all for some classes, I gotta get back to the masses. I'm glad that we have it, wishing that you just hit me back. Left me on red, you ain't have to do me like that. And how do we know what we have works in the cold? There's nowhere to know, summer's over, back on the road. And how do we know what we have works in the cold? There's nowhere to know, summer's over, back on the road. And how do we know if what we have works in the cold? There's nowhere to know, summer's over, back on the road. And how do we know if what we have works in the cold? There's nowhere to know, summer's over, back on the road. How do we know? The time works in our favor. Not now, maybe later. We gotta grow, we gotta go. Just not now, maybe later. Cause time works in our favor. Not now, maybe later. We gotta grow, we gotta go. Just not now, maybe later. And how do we know what we have works in the cold? There's nowhere to know. Summer's over, back on the road. And how do we know what we have works in the cold? There's nowhere to know. Summer's over, back on the road. And how do we know if what we have works in the cold? There's nowhere to know. Summer's over, back on the road. And how do we know if what we have works in the cold? There's nowhere to know. Summer's over, back on the road. How do we know?
Right now we sipping out in the daylight. Been a minute since you caught me in my right mind. Been waiting for forever for the right time, right time. I've been driving backwards in a fast lane, trying to erase whatever haunts me. But all my ghosts are in the city and they want me one day. Yeah, do it now. Stepping into the daylight. This is my time. I'm letting go. I'm on fire. I'm rising up like the sun. I can't make out what I want. Stepping into the daylight. I'm on fire. I'm a product of the system, but I'm thinking maybe heaven is within us. Holding all of this inside my ecosystem of vision. Feeling like every day is an encore of every other people chasing we've been here before. This is what we got, but I want more.
So a while ago, I was having a discussion with one of the other radio hosts about what their favorite food is. And you wouldn't believe their faces when I said pineapple pizza. The look of disgust on their face was hilarious. Let's be honest here, people. Pineapple on pizza is the superior topping. Put a little bit of ham or even some jalapenos on it, and it gets even better. Now, before you cancel me for liking pineapple pizza, you should go try it for yourself, and don't knock it until you try it. Let me know your thoughts on your favorite pizza topping on social media. But for now, let's get back to some fire beats.
When the game on the line, you can't fold and you can't bend. Gotta be playing it safe and not be going for the win. Remember back when they was doubting on the kid. Now they tuned in cause my game too legit. Stayed down, remain humble and I made it work. Crazy how I came out so clean from the dirt. We was using candles on the nights, the lights ain't work. We ain't never going back to that and that I merged. Turn your back on me, the worst mistake you ever made. Keep my grass cut, gotta watch out for the space. If it's on my plate, just believe this kid. I'm ballin' like I'm Kobe 33 before the 8. I just want the rings and the medals and the trophies. I want the Kardashians and Jenner so I know me. I wanna take a Uber to the hills to visit Chloe. I want the floor seats.
Bye.